In this segment, we will cover unboxing and assembly of the CE7000. The first step is to unbox the stand, which is in a separate box. As you start taking the components out, lay them out on a soft or carpeted floor or surface. Let's identify the components. At the top are two stand footers, two stock roller plates. M4 screws are used to assemble the stand and cutter. Two stock roller bar stoppers. Two stand legs. Two media stock rollers. And the center crossmember bar. Now that all the parts are unpacked, let's go ahead and assemble the stand. The CE7130 and the CE7060 both come with stands. Since assembling the stands are similar, we will demonstrate building the CE7130. Start by locating the Allen wrench that is provided with the M4 screws. Take one of the footers and one of the stand legs, and mount the footer onto the end of the stand leg. As you do this, make sure that the screw shown here is facing the top as you mount the footers to the stand legs. Take note of how the hole pattern on the footer matches the hole pattern on the end of the stand leg. With 4 M4 screws, mount the footer onto the stand leg. Once the footer is mounted, flip the stand leg over and mount the media bracket plate to the other side of the stand leg. Once again, take note of the hole pattern on the media bracket plate, making sure it matches the same hole pattern on the end of the legs. Once the leg is assembled, set it aside and repeat the same steps to build the other stand leg. Next, take the crossmember and mount it to one of the stand legs, using 2 M4 screws for each side. Repeat the process by mounting the other stand leg to the other end of the crossmember. Next, with 2 people, remove the cutter from the box and place it on top of the stand. Take note to place it so that the positioning pins slip into the holes on the underside of the cutter. And then fasten the cutter head with the 4 M4 socket head screws. For the last step, gently remove the packaging from the cutter itself. There are 4 areas from which the packaging has to be removed. Near the control panel, and under the push rollers, around the tool head. Then on the back of the unit, remove the tape holding the push rollers. Next, place the stock roller bars onto the stock roller brackets. And then install the stock roller stops on each side of the back roller bar. Finally, plug the power cord into the cutter and then into a rated wall socket.